Oh my god, guys, I'm so excited. I'm just arriving in the shopping. I'm gonna get something I've been waiting for, I don't know, 2 months, 2.5 months. I'm gonna show you later what it is. I'm just looking so much forward to it. So, just in, here is my package, guys. What I've been waiting for this 3 months. It's this little baby here. Let's make some nice videos over the Algarve. Looking so much forward to test it. It's gonna be my first time. I also know nothing about this, so let's see how it goes. Today is a very special day. Do you know what we just got? Our new toy?
A drone!
A drone! Yes! Let's unpack it and see how it looks inside. Let's go and get it open. Let's get it open. Have to get this. Well, let's see how they put this together. Wow! What is that?
This is for flying drone.
That's the remote control.
Yeah.
Let's see. Will you touch? Okay. Yeah, but first we need to open it, I think. Let's see. Okay, can you just do like this? This. You can twist it around. I don't know. You need to put this down. This down. Here it's to put your phone, I think. It's really dark here.
I have a drone. I have a drone.
And this one's supposed to be lifted up, but I cannot lift him up. Ah, here it is. So one like this, and the other one like this. Haha! Plus the phone. And here is the drone. Wow!
And look.
What were you singing, Noah? You were singing.
What?
Huh?
What were you singing?
A drone.
We're singing drone music. I didn't hear nothing about that.
Sing it again.
See, this one goes.
A drone.
This arm goes up like this.
And this too.
Yeah, this opens by itself. Don't worry. Okay. When you turn it on, it just makes like this. Okay, we need to turn it on the rest. We need to put those two things here. It comes up with cables also. And the bread is not included, the bread is Noah's. So a USB, this must be to connect to the battery. This must be to connect to the correct telephone. This one also.
What is it?
This one also. Yep. No, you don't need to close it. You don't need to close it. Only when you pack it down. Okay, what do we have more here? Extra blades. Have you seen? There's extra blades. No, this one you don't touch anymore, okay?
It's gonna be strong.
No.
Why?
Okay, extra blades. Can you pull it? Ta-da! Those have to be clipped inside. No, not there. It has already. Just down and then down and then twist. Yes. Try to put it down. You have to put it in the hole. See? Down in the hole and twist. Well, that's how it looked after it's all in one piece. Now we're gonna put it charging for a while, and next time you see us, we'll be trying flying it up in the air. Oh, there's the charger. We also need to use this. Let's go for it. Charging. We'll be back.
We're gonna fly a drone.
Theo, do you think Daddy can do it?
We can do it.
No?
1 hour later.
What?
Okay, that was a good sound. So, time to turn this beauty on. Let's get ready to rumble.
It's got like a helicopter platform. What is it?
Gotta put the drone to test, see if we crash it into the ocean or if we succeed not crashing into the ocean. You think we can do it?
Yeah.
I hope so. First time flying it. We saw instructions, been seeing a lot of YouTube videos, a lot of really cool guides how to put it flying. Let's see how it goes.
Let me see.
What's the problem? So, seagulls do not like drones. Must be the conclusion.
Don't fly your drone.
They were all sat on the cliff, but as you can see, not anymore.
Good job, drone.
That concludes our drone introduction. Gonna see a lot of drone footage on the next vlogs for sure. This was just the first time we were practicing. I think it's hard to to get really good. I think Noah is gonna be a good helper, at least for the filming part. We enjoyed it a lot, so that concludes for this vlog. See you next time, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't remember to share with your friends and subscribe.